Hey, this is Tyler with Leads by Lord I wanted to make this video for you and give you 3 things that you could implement right away to start outranking your competitors online and bring in some more customers for your business. So number 1 is content. With Google, content is king, and they like to see anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage alone. So as I scroll down this page here, you've got a lot of great information, right, about your team, your services. There's links here to the different pages. A little about section, your process, and there's a great header. But again, there's not that 1,000 to 2,000 words. So adding in more content will allow you to rank for specific keywords and phrases that people are putting into Google to bring up your company, bring up your competitors and the services that you offer, such as roofing, general contracting, etc. So what I did was I pulled up a report of your website in a tool we use called Ahrefs. It just shows us some data of your website, so you can check it out here. You have your ranking, you have your backlinks and your referring domains. And a backlink is really just a vote of confidence, all right, from one website to another, showing people that click on that link that the link they're following has relevant information. So you have 18 sites pointing back to yours, okay, and then you're ranking for 97 keywords. So we can take a look at those. And sort these positionally, see what you're ranking for on the first page. So choice remodeling and choice restoration, right, part of your name there, so you're ranking on the first page. But we're missing out on a lot of opportunity to rank for some good keywords here, and you can check out the volume down the side here. Home remodeling Delaware, it's bringing in 30 searches a month, all right, and we look for those buyer intent keywords, around your area. So we can go as far as sorting these by state, by service area, by service, and check out the volume here and see, what you could be ranking for. But what I wanted to show you as well is a competitor of yours for, general contracting Delaware. Okay, so Frank Devonshire here, general contracting, one of the first page results on Google when you type in general contractors Delaware. And we're going to find out here in a second how much volume that key phrase actually brings in. But we can check out their site. And you can tell right away that they definitely don't have 1,000 to 2,000 on their home page, right? And then as far as back pages go, right, if we click on some of these back pages, you want to see anywhere from 500 to 1,000 words, all right? Because your services are really your bread and butter. You don't want to miss out on an opportunity for, a potential customer to find that specific service that you offer. All right, so let's check out their report in Ahrefs here. And we can see, nothing special, right? 20 referring domains you guys had. I think 18 there. So we can go back there. Yep, 18. You have 173 backlinks. They have 84 backlinks. All right, and your rank was actually a little bit better, right? But they're being found here. If we click on these keywords, they're being found for, general contractors Delaware or general contractor Delaware. Here's general contractors Delaware, and that's bringing in 150 searches a month, right? Imagine what even a third of that, 50 searches a month, could do for your business. All right. And then we can check out some of these other words here. General contractor Willington, Delaware, right? There's 60 searches. Delaware contractors, 100. Right, so definitely a lot of opportunity here. You just have to know how to base your content, what keywords to base your content around. So the second thing that I want to touch upon is backlinks, right? We talked about the content. The second thing is backlinks. We want to make sure we get high quality backlinks, and that's going to help us get into this organic section, right? If anyone types in general contractors Delaware or, roofing Delaware, anything related to your business, they're going to see this organic section. And, adding in that content and creating high quality backlinks is going to help you get into this section, right? And we all want to be on the first page of Google because, let's be honest, nobody's coming down here and clicking second, third, fourth page, all right? And then the third thing I want to touch upon are citations. And a citation is your name, your address, and your phone number listed in business directories online, such as Yellow Pages. All right, and that'll help boost up your Google listing. So I want to jump into your Google listing really quick. Make sure it's optimized. Give you a couple pointers there. First thing I check are pictures. Do you have pictures? And are they being saved correctly? Are they being saved as image 1 or image 2, or are they being saved as roofing Delaware, general contractors Delaware, right? Some of those keywords that we touched upon. So continue adding to these pictures, right? You have some great pictures. Continue adding. Make sure they're being saved correctly, and I'll definitely draw on some people there. And then your reviews are great. right? You have all your information here, and then the description's a big part as well, right? We talked about content being that first tip. And, this is just another opportunity to create more content, and you can throw some keywords in there as well to get them ranking. So we talked about content, right? We talked about backlinks, and we talked about citations, and then optimizing this Google My Business listing. And if we do that, we can not only get into this organic section that we talked about, but we can get into this map pack as well. So if you're in the map pack and you're in the organic section, the amount of clicks you're going to get, the amount of phone calls you're going to get, they're definitely going to go up. All right, because let's be honest, we all trust Google to send us to the top results here, whether we're searching for general contractors or a pizza place near me, right? We're clicking on these top 3 businesses. We're not hitting the view wall, just like we're not coming down here and scrolling to the 6th page. All right, so utilize those 3 tips: content, backlinks, and citations for your business to bring in some more customers and really outrank those competitors. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My phone number is 267-885-3473. Again, my name's Tyler, and I look forward to talking to you soon.